this is how the hat is looking so far. I'm loving it. So I wanted to let you guys know that so I had to mark everything so I won't forget. 13 rows I did in total. 11 of them was regular single crochet, and then 2 is decreasing rows. So I'm still working on my second row of the decrease, and I want to show you guys how I done it. This is how I've been doing it for the last row. This is the second decrease row, so I already decreased. So I told you guys that I am decreasing every 10 stitch. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then the 10th we are going to decrease. And how I'm doing it is I go through 1 stitch, pull through, you will see 2 loops, and then I go through the next stitch, pull through, and then you will see 3 loops, and then I go through, and then I go through all 3. Bam. And that's how I am doing it for this is my second row, so this will be the last row that I am decreasing, but this is how I've been doing since my last row, and I just want to show you guys. So one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we at the 10th, and then we're gonna decrease. So again, you go through 1 stitch, and then you pull the yarn, you will have 2 loops, and then you go through the next stitch, you pull the yarn, and then you will have 3 loops, and then you pull all 3. So bam. And then I mark where I need to stop at, which is right here. So I'll be right back, guys. So I did 1 more decrease row, and then I put the hat right on top of my Fedora hat, and this is how it's looking. Perfect. So now we are about to do the brim. All right, so now we're gonna work the brim, and now I'm gonna do 2. I'm gonna add 2 single crochet, and then I'm gonna increase. So I'm gonna put 2 single crochet, and then I'm gonna do 1 single crochet, and then another single crochet, and then 2 single crochet. So that's how we are going to do it for the first row. 2, 1, 1, and then 2 single crochet. So that's how we're going to do it. We're going to do a single crochet, and then 2 double crochet. So we increase on the second, we're going to increase on the 3rd stitch. So I am going to do this for 1 row, and then I'll be right back. Now I did my last increase, and now we are going to do regular single crochets. So that's how we are going to do the brim. So 1 increase row, and then 1 regular single crochet, and then 1 increase row, and then 1 regular single crochet. So now I'm on the regular single crochet row, and then I'm gonna single crochet all around until I hit this stitch again, and then that's when I'm gonna start the increase row. So I'm gonna do that for a couple more rows. I would say I will do that for 5 more rows, and then I will be back. So I did 8 more rows of increase and also regular rows, and this is how it's looking so far, all wavy and stuff. So now we are about to use our wire to shape up the hat. I am using this wire, and I got this from Michael's, and we are going to attach this to the hat. I'm going to attach the wires onto the hat. So let me take this off. Now, sorry guys, I'm just trying to straighten this up. I'm going to put the yarn right on top of the hat, and then I'm going to just push it 1 inch forward, and then we add 2 single crochet on the same stitch so it can really hide. Okay, yeah, so that's what I think we're gonna do. We're gonna add 2 single crochet on each stitches, hiding the yarn. So this is how it's looking so far. So I will be right back once I go around and complete it, guys. As you guys can see, I end up doing single crochets. I just wanted it to really cover the wires. So it's up to you guys if you want to do single crochets or double crochets. There are parts that I did 2 single crochets in 1 stitch and also 1 double crochet in 1 stitch. I just want to cover the wire as much as possible, and that's what I did. So right now, as you guys see, like I'm doing like single crochets in each stitch. So as I'm doing that, the wires are being covered, and then there's times that I did cover the wire by doing 2 single crochets. So just follow as you see. If you feel like the wire is not covering much, you could do 2 single crochets. If you feel like the wire is good enough, it's covered, you could do 1. Just do how you feel, guys.
Altoona didn't think they could rule out anybody in the Whitey family at that point.
So now that I crochet all the way at the end, I am now getting my clear tape and I'm cutting a piece and I am wrapping it around the ends. Okay, I don't really need much as long as you just covering the tip of the wire. So I ended up crocheting over the yarn, but it ended up getting loose and the yarn came out. So I figured that I would use a tape so it won't move, and I'm going to push the yarn into, I'm going to push the wire into the yarn. Okay, so it's not moving nowhere. All right. Yeah, because what I was doing was putting two of the wires together and then did my single crochet, but it ended up getting loose, which I don't, you know, that's not acceptable. I don't like that. So I just put a tape here so it won't move, and then I'm gonna shove the wire right back into the single crochets. So you see me just pushing it in. Okay, look like it's not going nowhere. All right, so this is how it look. And if you do see some plastic, just cover it with the crochet. How it's looking. It's the front, this is the back. So after I shaped the hat, this is the final results, and guys, I love it so much. Like, it's so cute. It's giving me fall season and also vacation season as well. So if you guys want to do a Fedora hat for vacation, go ahead, guys. And that's what I did, and I'm loving it. Like, it's so pretty. And you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell button so you won't miss weekly DIYs, weekly clothing DIYs, sewing, crocheting, everything you desire, baby. So make sure you subscribe. Ciao.